wave today because I am feeling amazing. I've just got back from walking Dolly and thankfully I've managed to avoid the rain, which is absolutely brilliant. And I thought I'd quickly head over here and show you how to write the letter E. And as if by magic, here we are. Apologies if you can hear the wind outside. It is a very windy day. When I went on my walk today, I got blown along. So hopefully you can't hear it. Apologies if you can. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write the letter E in cursive. That means joined up. If your child doesn't join up their writing, then head over to my print video. So let's get started. It's the same routine that we always use. So first of all, we trace it. Then we copy it. Cover it up. No peeking. Write it from memory. Finally, pop your pen in the start position, close your eyes and have a go at writing it. That one doesn't actually look too bad. I'm quite impressed with that. Now the next step, once your child has got the hang of this and is a bit more familiar with how to write the letter shape, the next step is to start by writing it on some lines. Now the lines that I'm using on here are quite wide, and what I've done, as you'll know if you've watched my other videos, I have this grey shaded area, and all that is to show where the middle point is between the bottom and the top line. We call that the middle zone. So we're going to write the E within the middle zone because E is a middle zone letter. It doesn't reach right up to the top line. So start with our pen on the line if we're writing in cursive and go around. And again. And have another go. If your child finds this a bit tricky, you can always write it on the line for them and get them to trace over it. Once they've got the hang of it, then get them to say, E is E, E is E, E is E. Now, as I've said before, this just helps them to link the letter sound and the letter name to the symbol. Once they've written a line, get them to be the teacher. Ask them to have a look and see which one they think is the best. So I'm going to do that with mine. I think this one in the middle is the best, so I'm going to give it a tick. Now, the next step, because when we write in cursive, we're eventually going to start joining up the letters to make words. The next thing that you can get your little person to do is get them to have a go at joining up that letter E. So we have a full line of E's. Let me just move my page up so that you can see it. Here we go. Let's have a go. So it's E is E. Keep your pen on the page. E is E. 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 So okay if they need to stop for a bit and take the pen off the page, just get them to put it back and carry on. E is E. E is E. E is E. And just keep going until you get to the end of the line. Now, the children that I work with get so impressed when they reach this point because they always look and go, oh, look, I've done joined up handwriting. And that's the key with any sort of reading or writing. Make it fun and celebrate every single achievement. So, get your child to have a go with this today. Let me know how they get on, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget, if you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again very, very soon.